And thank you for joining us tonight for 7 News at 7. Suspended Greenville County Sheriff Will Lewis headed into court today. His attorney and the attorney for the state of South Carolina talked about what they believe should be included in the indictments against Lewis as they move on to trial.
7 News reporter Tobias Rodriguez joins us live tonight from Lawrence County with more on what both sides had to say in court today. Tobias.
Yes, there was heavy discussion on both sides in court today. Will Lewis did decline to speak with us, but his attorney and also the attorney for the state did talk with us after court adjourned. Will Lewis sat in a Lawrence County courtroom on Monday as his attorney Rock Wise argued that the state of South Carolina needed to be less vague in their indictments against Lewis. Wise says the state could also violate double jeopardy because the same facts that prove the obstruction of justice indictment are the same facts that prove the perjury conviction.
They've indicted him for perjury in that he allegedly filled out an affidavit saying that someone had completed a background check when allegedly it hadn't been done. That is the perjury charge. He is also charged under the misconduct in office with the exact same facts, that he signed an affidavit, that he had done a background check when they allege it hadn't been done. That clearly is a double jeopardy violation.
Kevin Brackett is the 16th Circuit Court solicitor. He and his team are the prosecution who are building a case against Lewis. They argue that the details in the indictments are sufficient. Brackett says all the information the defense needs is in the discovery, which is designed to allow disclosure of information between the two sides.
If you look at the vast majority of indictments, I don't believe they usually contain a detailed explication on exactly what activity the person engaged in. We have a very, very generous discovery policy in South Carolina. We provide detailed reports to the defense and all of the underlying documentation so they can see exactly what it is our case is. That's the point, is to now allow them to prepare for trial. So the discovery does exactly that.
Wise argues that it would be easy for the prosecution to include more specific information in the indictment on all charges against Lewis.
And of course, it's real easy to draw an indictment, including the names of individuals he allegedly encouraged to obstruct justice.
Judge G. Thomas Cooper is now reviewing both arguments.
The law's on our side, obviously. That's what we argued, and we'll have to see if the judge thinks so too.
The judge there didn't give any answer on when he would have more information on what he decided, but the two attorneys have said that they're looking to go to trial sometime in October. Reporting live in Lawrence County, Tobias Rodriguez, 7 News.